Well friends, here is problem number 14 and this is a series related problem, but it is a figure series. So this is the first figure, second figure, third figure, fourth figure, and we have to find this missing figure. And the options are, yes, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth option. So what we have to do? We have to observe. In the previous example, I said whenever you come across with the problems related to figures, you have to observe. Observe the given figures. So this is the first given figure and this is the second. Now what are the changes that you see in the first and in the second figure? How the second figure is changed depending upon the first figure. How you can compare. I am having a square here which is outside, but in the second figure it is inside. The outside figure is becoming inside figure. Okay, next I am having a triangle here. This is a big triangle here, but in the second figure it is a small triangle which is drawn beside the circle. Now I am having a small circle inside the big triangle in the first figure, and the circle is, yes, the circle is drawn like this. The inner circle is drawn as outer circle. This is the inner shape or inner circle that has been drawn here, and in the second figure that becomes the outer shape or outer circle. The outside small square is becoming inside small square, and this inside small circle or the inner circle is becoming outer circle, which is big, and this triangle which is outer shape or outer triangle which is present in the first figure is becoming a small triangle which is present beside the circle. So this is the observation. These are the observations that I made. Using those observations with the next figure. In the next figure, if you observe this and this is the outer shape or outer circle which is, yes, which is present beside the, yes, beside the square. Beside the square, and the square was, yes, it was a inner shape in the previous figure. The same observation that we made between these two figures, and now we are getting the same observations between these two figures, that is second and third figure. Now one more thing. This has to go inside. This has to go inside. Is it there? Yes, it is there. So this is the observation. Using these observations, I can find this missing figure. I have to use this figure, that is the fourth figure, to obtain the missing, that is fifth figure. So what I have to do? This shape, that is the square, should go inside. The square should go inside. So I will draw a square here. And next is, yes, next is this inside shape. Inside shape should become the outer portion or the outer shape. So I will draw here. Okay. This triangle, which was the outer shape, should be placed beside the new, that is this circle. This will be my missing figure. Now you have to compare this figure with the given option. Whichever it matches, that will be the right option. So first is not matching. Second, yes, second is exactly matching with the answer that we found. So second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. So this is how we can solve the problems related to figures. The main thing is observation. Whenever you come across with the problems that are based on figures, you have to observe carefully. Okay, now I will move to problem number 15.